I'm here in Chios, Greece, filming at my new house, and I'm so excited to share with you some recipes and some of the favorite things that I love about Chios. And one of them is Mastelo cheese. So Mastelo is native here to Chios, and we're gonna show you how to grill this today. So you can buy this at the local market. It's at every single taverna that you're gonna go, every single restaurant serves Mastelo. So today we're gonna make it with honey and sesame. And we're gonna slice this down the center. Sorry, I don't have my normal island here, so I'm bending down because this table's lower. So I'm gonna try to cut this right. So I've cut this in half, 2 pieces here. We have honey, sesame. We're gonna go right to the stove and grill it, or if you have an outside grill, you can use that too. So I have a pan nice and hot. Normally I would brush some olive oil on the Mastelo on both sides so you can grill it, but I forgot a brush. I have to add all of these kitchen equipment. I'm gonna just brush a little olive oil with my fingers on either side. Oh, look at that. We're just gonna be about 2 minutes on either side. So we've cooked this about 2 to 3 minutes on either side. So I'm gonna take this off here, show you. Look that, oh look, beautiful. I'm gonna put the other one. Look at that beautiful cheese. So now that we've grilled our Mastelo, look how beautiful that looks. I have here some honey. A little bit of sesame. Beautiful. It's time to dig in. Let's see this. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. You don't need bread. Just eat it plain, just like this. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram so you guys can check out my new house in Chios.